Most camping food isn't bad. It's just okay. But that's okay, because today I'm going to show you just a few ways to easily upgrade your meals to take them to the next level. And I'm also going to show you my favorite way to cheat to make the perfect steak while you're out there. And it will come out perfect every single time. Let's start with grilled cheese. Now, there's nothing wrong with a traditional grilled cheese. However, I'm going to show you a few ways to take your grilled cheese from, yeah, that was good, to amazing without any extra effort. If someone wants a traditional grilled cheese, great. But maybe someone else wants whipped cream cheese, fresh blackberries, and some basil. Or smoked Gouda, apple slices, and bacon. Or one made with spinach artichoke dip, and that is my absolute favorite. But what about you? What's your favorite grilled cheese? Let me know. So the point of this isn't any one particular recipe. However, I will put the recipes along with any products that I use in the description. But the point is about making small little upgrades that take your meals to chef level results, but without having to have the skills of a chef or all that extra effort. And because every grilled cheese deserves some amazing tomato soup, here's the next upgrade. Most tomato soups use basil, and I don't. I use thyme, and there's a reason for this. So basil is best for raw tomatoes, like a caprese. However, thyme is better for when you're roasting tomatoes to put them into a soup. It really deepens the flavor. At home, I roast the tomatoes, onion, garlic, and fresh thyme until everything starts to caramelize. And then I blend it smooth, I freeze it, and I bring it camping. When it's time to eat, I just heat it up and add a little cream. So that's it. I mean, it is a grilled cheese and tomato soup, but this is a completely different experience. Before we get to flavor boosters and that cheat on how to make the perfect steak, my name is Kara Schultz, and I'm the author of A Field Guide to Luxury Tent Camping. And here we try to make camping more comfortable and organized, but also personalized to you. If you'd like a copy of my free curated campsite planner, there is a link in the description. So let's get back to the food. One of the easiest ways to upgrade camping meals isn't to learn a bunch of new recipes. It's to bring flavor boosters. So those are condiments or syrups or sauces that give a little zip to your meals and bring them from like, okay, to like 4-star. My favorite is chimichurri, and if you've never made it, chimichurri is a vibrant, punchy sauce from Argentina made with fresh herbs, garlic, olive oil, peppers, vinegar. It's incredible on any meat. It's also incredible on grilled vegetables, and yeah, you can use it as a marinade. You can also use it as salad dressing. So one simple sauce suddenly improves about half of the meals at your campsite. Another thing that I really like is simple syrups. Now, most people know simple syrups from cocktails, and it's basically 1 part water, a half a part sugar or honey, and then a half a part of whatever you're flavoring it with. But it does so much more than that. I often bring like a lavender simple syrup, maybe a lemon one, maybe a basil one, and I can put it into lemonade, which makes the lemonade taste incredible. But also I can put it into like sparkling water and have a flavored drink. I can even put it in my coffee or tea or hot chocolate and give it a little zip. Another thing it's really good for is making a fresh salad dressing right on site. So one simple syrup gives you multiple ways to lift up the flavor in so many of your meals and drinks. So I have a question for you. What condiment or sauce do you have to bring when you're camping that's maybe a little bit unusual? And do you make it or do you buy it? Let me know in the comments, because I'm always looking to get new ideas. All right, now we're going to talk about the biggest cheat in this video: how to make the perfect steak while you're camping. And since steak prices are no joke right now, it is important not to screw up a steak, because that is throwing serious money away. But like I said, I cheat when I do this, and you too can have a perfect steak every single time. And it's with this. This is a sous vide. Now, I know when I first got one, my son gave it to me as a gift. I thought, that is ridiculous. Like, that is excessive. However, I was seriously wrong on that. And you can make the steak before your trip, or you can even do it like right at your campsite if you have power. All you need is the sous vide pot of water and a Ziploc bag. I like mine medium, so I set the sous vide for medium, and the entire steak will be perfectly medium through. And then when I get to the campsite, either over a fire, I just give it a quick sear on each side just to, get at that flavor. Or I do a pan with butter and I sear it on there. And the great part is the inside of the steak is exactly where it needs to be. So you're just looking at a little sear. There's no guessing. There's no cutting it open. There's no having your steak burnt on the outside and completely raw on the inside. Just a perfect steak every single time. Most camping experiences are just one tiny little upgrade away from being amazing, and cooking is really no different. So if you have any cooking tips or upgrades that you do that really elevate your experience, please let me know. And as always, until next time, happy camping.